Mga kapatid, I'm looking at leaders who are not fit to be leaders in the sense that they have no accountability. This is not only for the government, and isasali ko na yung sarili ko dito because I'm now a father and I am now a leader of a household, and one of the leaders of kung saan ako naghahanap buhay. So if you do not have an accountability, then you are a failure. See, kung maraming magnanakaw at mahihirap sa bayan mo, then you're a failure because you're the leader. It is what it is. Para sabihin mo otherwise, magturo-turo ka pa, that's not an attribute of the leader. A leader is like a father. Yung isang tao sa household, tatay siya. Nagpalaki siya ng mga anak na sakim, naggugulangan, nag-away-away, hindi magkakasundo, hindi nagtutulungan, then he is a failure. When you raise children na salot sa lipunan, you are a failure as a father. If you're a leader of a corporation and nanganganib yung korporasyon na yun magsara because of what you did, whether sa pananaw mo tama yun o mali, you are a failure. It is your accountability. It is your duty. So, my point is, maraming mga leaders sa iba't ibang sangay ng lipunan that are not fit to be leaders because they have no accountability. They only have reasons. They only have reasons. Hindi nila kayang sabihin na I'm sorry, it's my fault. Hindi nila kayang sabihin na ako may problema dito, ako ang gagawa ng paraan. They run away once the problem arises. A problem na kadalasan kagagawa nila. Makikita mo yan sa mga politiko. Makikita mo yan sa mga ama na katulad ko ng tahanan. Makikita mo yan sa mga pinakamababang opisyales. Makikita mo sa lahat. Because leadership, napunta sila sa posisyon na may hawak silang tao, pakiramdam nila sila ay amo. Hindi nila naintindihan na they are leaders. The rise and fall of that empire lies on them. God bless.